it's Katie from Dinosaur Valley State Park here to show y'all at home how to do your own dinosaur crafts and activities. Today I'll be showing you how to make your own dinosaur ice egg. So let's travel back in time and get started. Oh, that's cool. To get started, you will need a party balloon, a miniature figure or miniature toy, water, and food coloring, which is optional. First, stretch out the balloon. This allows the miniature figure to go in there easier. What I have found the easiest is to rolling up the balloon like so and shoving the miniature figure in there. Once the miniature figure has been arranged properly, it is now time to add the water. But before, if you would like to add food coloring to give the water and egg a pop, do so now. Once the balloon is filled with water, it is now time to let it freeze overnight. Alright, now it's time for the fun part. Once the dinosaur egg is frozen and ready to go, it's now time to, what else? Break the egg. For this, there are multiple methods of breaking the egg. You can pour water on it and watch it bake in the hot Texas sun. Use a hammer to break it open, though this one requires parental supervision and safety guidelines. Or, you could do my favorite one, throw it against the sidewalk. I hope you all enjoyed this craft, and remember, get outside, get creative, and explore the outdoors. Thanks for watching!